happens. Guys, so look, love with them collection with Louis. Absolutely favorite when it comes. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kid Deluxe, and you're probably wondering why am I standing and why are there so many boxes with me. But today's video will be a birthday haul unboxing. Now this is just like the start of the birthday haul. Like I have hit the big 3 on numbers. Cheers to me. I'm super excited about hitting that milestone in my life. I'm saying goodbye to my 20s and welcoming my 30s. And my man went freaking crazy. And then he said this is just the start. So we have literally a huge bit of like unboxing to do. So I'm gonna try and lift this up. So this is the amount of box. I have no clue what's in it. I literally just came back from Pilates and saw this on my porch and decided to bring it in the house because I'm like, what in the world? So you guys gonna help me unbox all of them and we're gonna do it together. So random. So some of the stuff I got from friends, some of the stuff I got by myself, and the majority of stuff I got from my man. So we start off random. So let's go with this one. I actually unpackaged this one as already. So this is like a fabric steamer. I literally need one because I cannot iron and I do not own an iron and an ironing board. And my man always say, what type of person that do not own an iron and an ironing board? So this came off from Amazon. I don't know how well it is or how good it is. I haven't used it before, but we'll give it a try. So I guess it's like the part for the water, and this is what it looks like a hair dryer. Doing random. So here I actually accidentally opened this box because I thought it was something that I have ordered and I was like really excited for it to come, but then I realized, girl. So I got surprised with this pearl necklace from, what's this company called? Yeah, the Pearl Source. Beautiful, like absolutely stunning, gorgeous. Obsessed, in love. I got myself this, some rollers, because your girl needs rollers. So I actually really needed rollers. You guys know what flexi rollers are. And then this came. This one is from my man. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh no! Okay, so I really can't show you guys much. So alright, so this side I can show you guys. If you guys follow me on my TikTok, you will see like I posted a video and this picture is literally with us there, and this side is when we went to like a Michelin star restaurant in Notting Hill. Oh, how amazing a janter. Then we have this from Reformation. Oh. Oh my god, this dress, it's a silk dress in the color ivory / white. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's so beautiful. Okay, so you have like buttons in the back. Oh my god, it's quite flowy, comes up really long as well. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Okay, I can't. Oh my god! So I got another package again from the company, the Pearl Source. Let's see what it is. Oh, it's so beautiful, but it's not stained. Anyway, so let me try and show you guys. So here is this beauty. Super stunning. Like what in the world? Oh my god, I have people who really love me. Open this, and then we have like this like pearl type of, I don't know, like hair clip, hairpin. Absolutely beautiful. Some hairpins, because my girlfriend always complained about me always asking for her pin, so she bought me a good pin. Good on you, girl. I love you for that. Now let's open up the boxes here. These boxes feels really light, but let's see what's in. Open this other box. It feels really light as well. I don't know what this is. Oh my god, this. Oh my god, I got another balloon and hot. It's red hot. It's so beautiful. Oh my god, more balloons. More balloons. Oh. Oh my gosh. Literally, guys, my man really want to go over and beyond to ensure that I have the best birthday possible, because girl, like, check this out. Oh my god. Okay, so let's move on now. Oh. I am literally lost for words. Oh my god, the colors represent exactly me and my personality, full of colors and love, all roses with eucalyptus and other things. They're so beautiful. Oh my god, they are absolutely stunning. They're beautiful. Oh, no, more balloons, and I think I poked it. I think I poked the number 3. Happens. So stay tuned for part 2. This is just these are the things that came this morning, and there's more stuff on the way. Like, there is a lot of stuff I've been told from my friends and my man that's on the way, and unfortunately they won't come in time, but I want to show you guys. So part 2 is coming. Stay tuned for that. Okay guys, so welcome back to my channel. So this is literally part 2 or continuation of my birthday haul. I started off the video, of course, looking different, and your girl is back. Oh, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button, and also huge thumbs up, and leave a comment in the comment section. And my man is right behind me. He's so excited for me to open up my presents, and I'm so excited. Your girl just turned 30. Oh my god, yay! A big milestone. And I'm really excited to open up these boxes with you guys. So let's get it all started, shall we? So first things first, I think we're just going to start from random here from the front and just work our way in the back. So I'm going to start with this bag here from Harrods. Let's see. Let's see what I got. Okay, so this is a small package. I got this beautiful, oh my god, this beautiful like silk lace dress. Oh my god, this is absolutely stunning. If you guys don't know, I am a lover for silk and cashmere, and this silk feels really amazing. It's from this brand name Cartier Gilson. If you know, you know, you know. If you don't know, you don't know. And yeah, I don't want to discuss the price. So excited about that. Can't wait to put this on for my man, baby. Now we go into package number 2. This one is from Chanel. My favorite. I absolutely love Chanel. I'm a diehard fan from Chanel. This is a Sunny's. My absolute favorite, literally favorite from Chanel. I love and adore her. Like, Yeah. Then we're gonna go on to Madame Celine. So I've never owned anything from Celine before, so this is like my my first stuff from Celine. Started to look up the store and actually fell in love with them. Celine Paris. What is they? What are they, babe? A pouch. And then sunnies. Oh my god, I actually really love this with the leopard print, and this is absolutely gonna be in this season come fall autumn winter time. So yeah, leopard prints will be in season. Oh my god, I actually love this. I'm really obsessed. Very like subtle type of elegant type of style, not too much in your face, and I love the fit. Oh, it looks so gorgeous, stunning. More stuff from there. So let's see what we have. Oh, got this. What is this? I think it's called like hair clip, and this like type of print. I think it's called leopard print. Anyways, a form of animal print that I love. Don't ask me how much my man spent on it. Don't ask. If you know, you know. Got another box here. Oh my god, I can't open this. Oh, actually another one. So 2 of these. So far, putting it for either side of my hair. In love. Stunning! This is so pretty. Oh my god. Thank you, babe. Say you're welcome.
You're welcome.
Then we go on to Cartier, my absolutely favorite when it comes to like jewelry, fine jewelry. My absolutely favorite brand in terms of like doing gold. What is wrong with you? Like, stay open. Hello. So you know when you see Cartier, obviously it's jewelry, pouches. Yeah, I don't care about the pouches. I want to see what my man got for me. What he got me. Oh my god, my absolutely favorite. I was literally eyeing this for quite a while, like for quite some time. I absolutely love it. Now this is in a jersey with diamonds, baby. I don't know if you guys could see that, pick that up there with a diamonds. You love diamonds. Thank you, babe. I got perfume, and I don't know what this is, probably cleaning kit. Another box. Ooh, look, diamonds again. I got this I think this is like the love bracelet in diamonds, and it is 10 diamonds like all around. Oh my gosh, I really wanted this. I wanted this for such a long time. Absolutely love this. Oh my god, I'm really excited about that. Oh. This big bag here from Chanel, my favorite. Right, babe? Is stunning. You know I love Chanel. So if you guys watch my channel or subscribe to me over there on YouTube, you guys will know when I got this. And I got this, I think, what leather is this? I think this is leather. Some form of leather, and it's in burgundy, which definitely gonna be in season for this fall autumn season. And I am the first to lay my hands on it because my man loved me so much that he decided to get it for me. So it's the Chanel classic fat that I love, really love, like my favorite, absolute favorite. 30 presents in total. Literally, I turned 30 and my man decided to surprise me with 30 gifts. 30 presents. to celebrate this milestone. He gets done.
Can't wait till it's been 40. Start going down. I start counting from 1 again now.
Now we're moving on to Mrs. Louis Vuitton. Mrs. Louis Vuitton, I literally just started to make a collection with Louis Vuitton, and I saw this bag and I fell in love with this bag, and all I did was took a picture and show my man, and my man was like, bet, my woman loves it, she's gonna have it, she want it, she got it. Right, babe? He decided to get me, surprised me with the album baby bag, and also like this chain on the bag, which is the Louis Vuitton like charms. It's something like the Dior types of charms, which I absolutely love, and they come separately, but he decided to get it for me because, of course, you know, he loves to please me and makes me happy, and he knows my taste and style. So, and it goes so well with the bag, and I love it. I love this bag so much. I love it. Like, I was in tears when I opened it. I opened it before because I wanted to know what I got. So, but now you guys get the after gist. So, and lastly, but not least, is another collection from Celine, and this, you guys have to subscribe to my YouTube to know what's gonna be happening with this. So guys, I'll be doing a separate video on this because this is newly launched, and I was the very first person to get it. I am not joking, I am not lying when I say I am the very first person. So that's telling you how much power my man has. So stay tuned for that. Bye. Make sure you guys subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section, and share, and I will see you guys later. Happy birthday to me. Happy 30th. Bye.
Happy birthday.
Thanks, babe.